Boot configuration data. This file tells Windows how to boot. If it's corrupt, your PC won't start. You edit it using the BCDedit command. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's fix the boot. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized BCD file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. The BCD file, or boot configuration data file, is a firmware-independent database used by Microsoft's Windows Vista and later operating systems to store boot configuration parameters. It replaces the boot.ini file used in earlier versions of Windows. The BCD file contains information about the operating systems installed on the computer and how to boot them. BCD files are typically stored in the boot folder on the system partition. They can be edited using the boot configuration data editor, BCDedit.exe, a command line tool included with Windows. Incorrectly modifying the BCD file can render the system unbootable, so caution is advised. The file uses a binary format. BCDedit from Microsoft offers a certified solution for the BCD file type. Windows provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows relies on predictable system file behavior, so user modifications are dangerous. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the BCD file and choose Open With. Start with BCDedit if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your BCD file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Because the BCD format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, recognize the file type. Understand that .bcd files are Windows system files used for boot configuration and are not meant to be opened manually. Next, use command utility. Use the BCDedit command line utility in command prompt as admin to manage the boot data. Finally, repair boot. Use the Windows recovery environment to run the bootrec rebuild BCD command. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.